YouTube land. How you guys doing? This is SODAKRIDER coming at you today. And yeah, I'm actually on the bike. Spring is so slow in coming this year, but we got a little bit of decent weather today. And I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna try my half helmet setup here, see if it works and see how the audio is. Just try something new here. I still gotta check out the audio with the new mic and my full face helmet, but wanted to try a half helmet. I normally wear a half helmet, so I just wanted to see how that would work today. I gotta admit, I do feel the camera on there a little bit. I don't really feel it when I'm wearing my full face, but I do feel it on the half helmet. So today is supposed to be pretty nice, obviously, and then tomorrow is supposed to be similar, but maybe just a little bit more windy. So we're planning to get the boat out and go fishing for the first time this year tomorrow. And gonna head out to the Missouri River, try to catch some walleye out there, see if the fish are biting, and if they're not, well, hey, at least we're outside. Beats work, right? Then after that, it's supposed to get a little cool again. I'm going to be back down into the 40s with 20s and 30s overnight, so it's still slow spring getting here, which really kind of stinks, but I guess it is what it is. We just got to be a little patient and take advantage of these days, the 50-degree weather when we get them. Going through the south central part of Sioux Falls here, southwestern, south central, something like that. It's an area that is really developing. It's developed a lot just within the last couple years. Subaru dealership, Walmart, Burger King, strip mall, health center, a boat dealership, gas stations, all kinds of stuff popping up out here. Most of it just within the last few years. A lot of it within the last year, really, even. Of course, you know, build a Walmart and everybody else comes along, fills in around it. Try to get out of town and get on the highways, get out of this traffic a little bit. It's not bad, but it's, let's see, it's 10 to 5 right now, so people are getting off work. It is a weekday. People are getting off work, so traffic is picking up a little bit. I just want to kind of get out of town, get away from that, try to find some open highway to ride on. Take a short little spin here today. I gotta tell you guys a little story about this lady I met this past summer. We went on vacation up to the state of Washington and then also went out to Victoria, British Columbia in Canada, and kind of toured some of the islands and such up there. But we stayed, I think it was just one night or two, I don't remember. I think it was 2 nights that we stayed in British Columbia. And the morning that we got there was a nursing home located right next to the hotel that we were staying in. And we went out to get some breakfast, and when we were walking back to our hotel, came past the front of this nursing home, and there was this guy ahead of me was looking at me like I'm nuts. There was this lady standing out in the front. I had a Harley Davidson shirt on, of course, and she saw my shirt, said something about Harley Davidson. I said, yeah, you bet. And she's like, I used to ride a Harley Davidson when I was young. And I think she said she was 94 years old now. But she told me a story about when she was younger, how she had a Harley Davidson, and she just took off and rode all over in this Harley Davidson. When she found out that we were from South Dakota, she said, "Oh, I've been there. I was out around the Black Hills, and I stayed out there for a while and slept in a hayfield, and I ran out of money, so I had to have some work done on my motorcycle." So this guy helped me bring my motorcycle to town to the dealership. And while I was at this motorcycle place, the guy wanted to know how I could pay for it. So he wanted me to advertise for him, advertise these motorcycles. And she was supposed to wear a bikini. Well, she didn't really want to do that. So, but she needed the money, so she wore this bikini. But she kept telling everybody how cold she was, and so pretty soon people were bringing her like a robe and towels and things like that. So she said she got paid for the day for advertising, and she was covered up all day, and she thought that was pretty funny. But just a funny old lady, and I wished I lived closer to her, and then I could come over to where she lived on my motorcycle, because I'd like to I would love to just give her a ride. She thought that'd be great. She'd love to go for a ride again, and it was just great to connect with somebody like that, you know, a little 94-year-old lady in Canada, another country for me, and here we could connect on the topic of Harley Davidson. So that was just cool. Just thought that was a cool story. I wanted to share that with you guys. Woo! These heated hand grips are working today. Alright guys, well, I'm going to try to keep my videos a little shorter. I think somewhere I saw that about the best length for YouTube videos about 6 minutes. So we're going to try to keep our videos somewhere around that length. So that's about it for today's vlog. Just wanted to get out, share a nice ride with you here today. We got beautiful countryside, beautiful blue sky with some pretty clouds, and so I think we'll end it right here. I might set a little bit of footage to music so you can just watch some of the countryside go by on the bike, and see if I can maybe mix in a couple of different shots. But I think that's about it for today. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're riding, be safe. Keep the rubber side down. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button. You can do so at any time during my video. My logo is down in the corner.